welcome to 2023. I wish you a very happy new year. Remember that it is not too late to set your goals and start working towards achieving them. Alright, jumping right into today's episode. I know they give shishi. If you're in Nigeria, or if you probably are in tune with what's going on social media regarding Nigeria's news, you probably have heard this sentence or something similar to this sentence. I'm going to be talking about the meaning, the origin, and then we'll be using them in a sentence to know the correct English word for that. Okay, far back in 1959, one of the currencies that Nigeria used was 6 pence. So the front part, that's the obverse part of this coin, had the face of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse part, which is the back, had a cocoa bean, a picture of a cocoa bean. Cocoa bean is one of Nigeria's most abundant resources. This day we used, I wasn't born then of course, but then Nigeria used this currency from 1959 all through to the end of 1972, when we started using Naira and Kobo in the beginning of 1973. Some people from the Igbo part of Nigeria usually called it shish pence, shishi pence. Actually, they usually call it, just for short, they would say shishi. So it became a regular slang in Nigeria. People started using it occasionally, and most people just adopted it and they would say shishi. So when a Nigerian says, I don't get shishi, what they mean is, I don't have money. Or if they say, I know they give shishi, it means I will not give you any money. I do not give any money, or I will not be giving you any money, technically. Alright, thanks for watching today's episode. We hope you've learned something new. That is what we actually do here on this channel, helping ourselves become better one step at a time. Do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up and share to others just so they will be informed and improve themselves. Thank you for watching once again. Bye-bye.